And what do you do? What in the world do you do when God is doing something in your life that you don't understand? When Jesus got ready to wash Peter's feet as a demonstration of servanthood that we're called to in leadership, Peter said, no, Lord, you're not going to wash my feet. And Jesus replied to him in John chapter 13 and verse 7. He says, you don't understand what I'm doing, but someday you will. And that's what happens to us many times. We're in a place in our life and God is doing stuff.
Higher than the earth, so are my thoughts above your thoughts. Listen to me. Just because it does not make sense to you does not mean it does not make sense. And just because it does not make sense now, and my thoughts than your thoughts. Now, how far is up? You tell me. You can't. How much higher are God's thoughts than your thoughts? You tell me. You cannot. That does not mean it will not make sense later on. Not now, but in the coming years, it may be in the better land. We'll understand the meaning of our tears, and there we'll understand. Oh, friend, there's coming a day. There is coming a day when God's going to make everything right. Just because it doesn't make sense to you does not mean it will not make sense one day. Serve Jesus.